Welcome to Odisha Post Live. You are watching News Roundup of the day. Here are today's top stories. Kendrapara district reported 30 new COVID-19 cases on Thursday, Collector Samarth Verma said. The fresh cases have taken the district's tally from 9 to 22 and the state's tally from 611 to 624. Odisha on Wednesday saw resumption of bus services for the first time since the enforcement of nationwide lockdown on the 22nd of March in view of COVID-19 pandemic. This apart, OSRTC will now provide services in all green zones. The State Health Department has now decided to rope in private players to conduct testing at a faster rate. Health Minister Nabar Das on Thursday informed that since ICMR has already given a green signal to begin testing at private laboratories, the government is going to begin testing at Balangir, Koraput and Baripada on 16th, 23rd and 31st of May respectively. A plea has been filed in the Delhi government court seeking release of nearly 3,300 members of Tablighi Jamaat who have been sent to various quarantine centers for around 40 days and not released despite reporting negative for COVID-19. Indian Railways on Thursday said that it has cancelled all bookings for train tickets made till the 30th of June and given full refunds, adding that special and Shramik trains will ply as usual. Regular train services including mail, express, passenger and suburban have been cancelled, said a notification issued by Director Passenger Marketing, Railway Board. Officials of the World Health Organization have said it is hard to predict when the pandemic will be over, but countries should stay positive and collaborate closely. I think it's important to put this on the table. This virus may become just another endemic virus in our communities, and this virus may never go away, Michael Ryan, Executive Director of WHO Health Emergencies Program, said on Wednesday at a press conference in Geneva. With 3,722 new cases reported in the last 24 hours, the COVID-19 tally in India reached 78,000 and more, the Union Health Ministry stated on Thursday. Of the total cases, 49,219 are active and 2,549 are fatalities so far, while at least 26,234 people have recovered from the disease. Worldwide COVID positive cases rise to 44,45,920 with 2,98,440 deaths. 16,70,373 people have recovered so far. That's all for today's bulletin. You are watching Odisha Post Live.